Deep in Mongolia's untouched wilderness, something was seen, something no one can fully explain. It began with a sudden flash across the evening sky, brief, silent, and unsettling. Reports led us here, to the Gobi region of Mongolia, where locals witnessed the phenomenon more than once. One herder told us, it was like a small sun dropping toward the earth, then gone. Phone footage appeared online, but none of it has been verified. Nearby, strange markings were found on ancient stones, symbols unlike local traditions. Concentric patterns, figures with halo-like shapes. Scholars say they don't match known cultural styles. Then came the metal fragments, 3 small pieces, discovered near the carvings. Early analysis showed an unusual elemental ratio, not typical for local ore. Yet scientists warn, the samples are too few to draw conclusions.
It shouldn't be showing any activity at this frequency.
So what exactly happened here? To answer that, we follow the evidence step by step. Science begins with verification, confirming whether each piece of evidence is authentic. First hypothesis, a meteor, but witnesses described no sound and no trail. Another idea, rare atmospheric plasma, possible, but its behavior doesn't fully match. The metal fragments might be man-made, dropped long ago, or recently. But when all clues appear in one place, investigators must look deeper. Our team examined the exact coordinates, searching for environmental explanations. Readings showed minor anomalies, but nothing dramatic enough to confirm anything unusual. Soil samples revealed traces of impact, but not from a known meteor class. Each clue alone is explainable. Together, they don't quite fit. We expanded our sampling area, documenting exact coordinates and chain of custody for every piece. All samples were sealed, labeled, and transported under strict protocols. Back at the lab, spectrometers measured elemental composition to parts per million precision. Peaks appeared where they shouldn't, elements more abundant than local geology would predict. We're cautious. These anomalies require isotope ratio tests, not just elemental counts. Isotope ratio analysis can reveal origins, whether terrestrial, meteoritic, or otherwise. Preliminary ratios didn't fully match known local signatures. Again, intriguing but inconclusive. Microscopy showed microstructures consistent with high-energy thermal processing. Compared side by side, the fragments differ from ordinary regional or in both texture and trace elements. Anomalies are interesting, but caution is vital. Extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence. Locals, meanwhile, offered stories passed down, some linking the signs to omens, others to natural folklore. Archaeologists emphasized dating the carvings accurately before linking them to modern events. We built a timeline sightings, sample discovery, analysis to see if events align. Reports clustered within a relatively small area, raising the chance of a local cause. We considered 3 leading hypotheses: natural meteoritic event, rare atmospheric phenomenon, or unknown human technology. Meteor explanations fail to account for the silent, hovering-like descriptions. Atmospheric plasma can behave oddly, but its signatures differ from our instrument's readings. A third possibility, technology, existing or experimental, leave signatures we don't fully recognize. International experts were consulted, opinions divided, but all called for more data.
Stabilization was an error.
Samples were sent to independent labs overseas to eliminate bias and confirm results. Independent tests echoed anomalies, but final peer review was still pending. We cannot leap to conclusions, but the cluster of evidence demands honest investigation. The echoes remain, fragments, symbols, and fleeting lights, each asking the same question. This is not the end, only a beginning. Further tests will follow, and more answers may come. What do you think was found in Mongolia? Comment below, subscribe, and join the next chapter of Echoes from the Sky. A restricted document reveals a second impact site, hidden from all public reports. It lies just 14 kilometers from the first site, yet no official mentions it. Investigators describe the area as unusually silent, even for the steppe. A 30-meter drag trail marks the ground, but nothing naturally makes this shape. The grooves resemble something being pulled or walking while dragging weight. I saw a figure tall, thin, and silent. It moved like no human. This is how he drew it from memory.
The sparks carry secrets.
She says the figure turned its head without moving its body.
When the land will awake.
Two witnesses, identical drawings, no contact between them. He swears the figure watched him, then vanished in total silence. At the end of the trail, investigators found a strange powder. It does not burn, even at 1200 degrees. It emits a soft, rhythmic pulse, almost like a signal. A lost recorder captured a 12-second harmonic pulse. It isn't wind, it isn't machinery, it's structured. A specialist suggests it may be a form of communication. These prints match no known mammal in Mongolia. The pressure suggests a body far lighter than a human. A human-shaped shadow, but colder than the air around it. It vanished instantly without movement. Both sites align perfectly, as if part of a single planned route. The incidents occurred just 14 minutes apart. The terrain shows an impact, but nothing crashed here. Experts believe the object slowed itself before touching the ground. Temperature readings show a rapid 6-degree drop in minutes. Animals refuse to enter the perimeter, even days later. The trail leads toward a narrow canyon few locals dare to enter. A perfect line of dead plants follows the path. The soil contains compounds not found in Mongolian geology. The official report mentions an unidentified presence, then blacks out the rest. A patrol note describes moving lights and a tall silhouette watching from a ridge. Witnesses agree, the figure moved with no sound, none. It turned its head almost 180 degrees without shifting its body. Both sites share a near-identical harmonic signature. One theory suggests two entities arrived, not one. Magnetic readings spiked wildly the night of the event. Cameras malfunctioned only within a specific 20-meter radius. When disturbed, the powder glows stronger. A faint tone resonates when metal touches the sample. If something landed, it may have left the site alive. In the canyon, voices echo back, distorted, as if mimicked.
Help is here!
A final heat signature appears, then disappears for good. One phrase remains unredacted, non-human presence confirmed. If this was the second site, how many remain undiscovered? What was really out there, and who is keeping it quiet?